Wednesday, September 17th, Plain of Scales. Kruniak is dead. Our Sergeant Garrick says he saw the commander and half of the color guard running like hell back through the lines, ordering a general retreat. When Garrick caught up with him, Kruniak collapsed. He had been holding his guts in with his shield. Kruniak's last words were of the bravery of the color guard, who had given their lives trying to save him, even as Soulblighter had delivered the killing blow. Soulblighter. I have not heard that name since the days of my youth, when my grandfather would tell me stories of the Great War. According to legend, Soulblighter was killed in the last battle of that war, when Balor's severed head was thrown into the Great Devoid and the armies of the dead collapsed. But after the horrors I have witnessed so far, no tale is too terrible to be believed. And if Soulblighter is alive, and the minions of the dark have risen to do his bidding, the events of the last few weeks begin to make sense. All of us agree we must reach Madrigal and King Ulrich soon, but it would take months to get to Madrigal on foot. Garrick believes there is a world knot directly west of us on the other side of the Cloudspine. Although it was destroyed during the Great War, the dwarves seem confident they will be able to repair it. This I will have to see for myself. As we were breaking camp, Garrick handed me a journal he had recovered from Kruniak's belongings. The commander must have taken it from one of the Baron's libraries. What significance it may have had to Kruniak, I do not know, other than it appears to have been written by a man who served in the Legion during the Great War.
I'm moving. Over here. Let's go. I'm moving. Over here. I'm moving. I'm moving. Yes. We'll do it. Let's go. I'm moving. Let's go. Shell. Yes. Let's go. Yes. Let's go. Yeah. Get back up. Over here. Let's go. I'm moving. I'm moving. Let's go. Yeah. Yes. Kill. I'm moving. I'm moving. Yeah. I'm moving. Let's go. I'm moving. Yeah. Over here! I'm moving. Over here!
What now?
Let's go! I'm moving.
Move over.
Yeah. Yes! Over here! Let's go! I'm moving. Yeah. I'm moving.
Got him.
Yeah. Let's go. I'm moving. Yeah. Let's go. I'm moving. Over here. Yeah. Let's go. I'm moving. Yes, I'm moving. Over here. I'm moving. Over here. I'm moving. Over here. Let's go. I'm moving. I'm moving. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah. I'm moving. Over here. I'm moving. I'm moving.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir. Stand clear.
Yeah. Let's go.
Sir.
Yeah. Over here. I'm moving. Let's go. Let's go. I'm moving. I'm moving. Over here. I'm moving.
Yes, sir.
do it. Yeah. Yeah. Let's go. Yeah. I'm moving. Over here. I'm moving. Kill. Yeah. I'm moving. Over here. I'm moving. I'm moving. I'm moving. I'm moving. Yeah.
Grab those stones and get to work. We haven't a moment to lose.
I'm moving.
Casualty.
Yes.
Make a hole. Move there. Burn! Yeah?
I'm moving. Over here. Let's go.
Hey, we
Yeah.
did it!
I'm moving.
The world knot is fixed. Hurry!